Hello everyone, my name is Manu and I'll teach you English. Today I am narrating you a very nice story, and the best part is that the story which I am narrating you is directly connecting with the chapter which I will teach you. So if you want to understand this chapter completely and beautifully, so you have to be all ears to the story which I am telling you, because it all correlated to one another. The dove and the ant. Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost her balance and fell into the river. Ant cried, but no one could hear his cries. A dove sitting on the tree nearby saw that the ant was in trouble. She quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. After a few days, the dove was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow to the dove. The ant knew that his friend, the dove, was in danger. He quickly bit hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The hunter's arrow missed the dove. This time the ant saved the dove. The dove thanked the ant for saving her life, and they become friends forever. So, moral of the story: never underestimate people by their appearance. Folktale, a fictional story that has been passed down from person to person for many years. So, the story which I narrate you was a famous folktale. Now, I am telling you another story which is in your text, that is lesson number 3, The Rat and the Elephant. First of all, new words. Herd, a group of animal of same type. Destroy, a damage something so badly that it cannot be used. Root, way. Pleased, happy and satisfied. Promise, told someone that you would certainly do something. Now let's read. Long, long ago, a group of rats lived happily in the forest. One day, a herd of elephants passed through that area in search of water. When the herd of elephants passed through that area in search of water, what happened? Many of the rats were destroyed under their big feet, and some rats were also killed. The king of rats, Mushakraj, went to the king of elephant. The name of the king of rat is Mushakraj. So he went to the king of elephant, Gajraj. Gajraj was the king of elephant, and requested him to take his herd through another route to the pond. The king of rats, Mushakraj, requested to king of elephant, Gajraj, to take his herd through another route to the pond. He accepted the request and told the elephants to take their way without disturbing the rats. What happened? Then King of Elephant accepted their request and they decided to take other way without disturbing the rats. Mushak Raj was very happy and pleased with Gajraj. He thanked him and promised that the rats would always be ready to help the elephants if needed. When Gajraj accepted request of Mushak Raj, then he was very happy and he also promised that the rat would always be ready for elephants. Hearing this, the elephants in the herd laughed, thinking how small rats could help a big elephant. So, I am concluding this chapter here and we will read the rest of the chapter in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.